Hello, everyone. I'm Lonnie, and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today we're making Chinese eggplants with minced pork. Without further ado, let's get started. Take one beautiful eggplant and dice it into bite-sized cubes. Think of it as giving your eggplant a fancy makeover. Then we'll finally mince our flavor dream team. 5 grams each of ginger, garlic, and green onion whites. Heat up plenty of oil in your wok. We're going to give our eggplant cubes a nice hot oil bath. Listen to that sizzle. We want them nice and tender, just until they're soft and dreamy. Scoop them out and set aside. Keep a bit of that flavored oil in the wok, and in go our minced aromatics. That smell is absolutely incredible, folks. Your kitchen is about to smell amazing. Time for our star protein, 100 grams of ground pork belly. Stir fry it until it's no longer pink. Breaking it up, add 5 grams of chili paste and 5 milliliters each of Sharksing wine and soy sauce. Give everything a good stir. We want all these flavors to become best friends. Remember those eggplant pieces? Add them in. Give everything a quick stir. Then pour in 300 milliliters of water. Let it come to a bubble. This is where the magic happens. Season with 6 grams of salt, 5 grams of oyster sauce, and a pinch of white pepper. The sauce is starting to look absolutely gorgeous. For the finishing touches, we'll thicken it up with a little cornstarch slurry. A drizzle of 10 milliliters of sesame oil adds that beautiful nutty aroma that just takes this dish over the top. Plate it up, sprinkle with those fresh green onions we saved, and there you have it. A restaurant-quality dish right in your own kitchen. Friends, you must try our Chinese eggplants with minced pork. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.